Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can turn a video into an image in Canva. So basically the idea of this tutorial is we are going to get a frame from the video and then we are going to save the frame as a picture to our computer, and then later we can use the picture for something else, for a different purpose. But then how do you get it? Because in the video there could be hundreds if not thousands of different frames, and how do you actually pinpoint which frame that you want to get? Well, here's how. For example, I'm going to insert this video from the Canva stock library, and as you can see here, the woman appears to be running away from the camera, and as the video progresses, you can see that she's getting further and further away from the camera. So we can see that it's kind of difficult to select which part that we want to get, which frame of the video that we want to download as a picture. And here's how you can do that. So basically what we need to do, you have to make sure that you are putting the video into or filling the frame. You want to make sure that the entire frame is filled or covered by the video. And after that, in order to get the photo from the video, you can click share and then click download and then select the file type. You could be selecting JPEG, PNG, and also now there is an option for PDF or also GIF and of course SVG if you are looking for a photo that is going to be used for a web design and animation. But I'm going to be using JPEG for a simple photo like this, and let's click download. Now if you do this, what's going to happen is that Canva will take the first frame of the video. This is, for example, this is the preview and it is the first frame of this video, but that is not the part of video that I want to get. I want to use the end part of the video. I want to get this photo where the woman is further apart from the camera. Then how do you do that? Well, you can open the thumbnail view right here and then make sure to open duration. And then here, the trick is you want to split the video or basically just crop, not crop, it's kind of, maybe cropping, I don't know the name, but basically you want to remove the area that you don't want to appear on the frame. So since I want to show this area, this section, then I'm going to just click this area, click this feature, and then drag it to the right until the video becoming very short. And now that section becoming the first frame of the video. If I click the share button again and click download and select JPEG, you will see that I'm going to be getting this picture instead of the previous picture where the woman is a lot closer. So let's see. There you go. Now it used to be like this, but now it's becoming like this. So that's how you can get a photo from a video. Basically you can select which part of the video that you want to get, and maybe it's worth mentioning that you can also use a splitting technique. For example, if you want to get a section of the video in the middle, then you can just right click and then click split page, and then you can click split page again on the close area, maybe right here, and split page again. So for example, I could remove this, delete, and delete page again. Now we are getting this middle section of the video, and you can click share, download, and sorry about that, it's not playing. Okay, there is a buffering there, but basically the woman is now, it's kind of in the middle, it's really far. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can download a photo from a video in Canva. So if you want this tutorial to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help the channel out, and I'll see you on the next video.